welcome to my class. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is energy. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you listen to this term? You may remember that energy is the ability to do work. You need to remember that energy can be seen, can be listened, you can even feel it. You can hear energy as sound, you can see energy as heat, and you can feel it as wind. You use energy when you lift your school bag, when you hit a softball, and even when you walk. You need to remember that living organisms need energy for growth and movement. Energy is involved when a bird flies, when a bomb explodes, when rain falls from the sky. And there are some forms of energy that we need to remember. We have mechanical energy, we have thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, sound energy, light, and nuclear energy. We're going to talk about thermal. Thermal energy is the energy that is related to heat. The internal motion of atoms is called heat energy because moving particles produce heat. Heat energy can be produced by friction. Heat energy causes changes in temperature and phase of any form of matter. We have chemical energy as well. Chemical energy is required to bond atoms together, and when bonds are broken, energy is released. Fuel and food are forms of stored energy. We have electromagnetic energy. Power lines carry electromagnetic energy into your home in the form of electricity. It is the energy of moving electrons. It is used in your house when you are watching TV. Right now that we are filming this video, we are using different kinds of energy. We also have sound energy. It is the energy caused by the object's vibrations. When you stretch a guitar string, the string stores potential energy. The string transmits some kinetic energy to the air around it. This energy can be enjoyed when you are at a musical or when you are practicing every kind of or playing any kind of musical instrument. We also have light energy, that is the one that we can observe every day in our houses. Light energy is also produced by vibrations. Like some vibrations, light vibrations cause energy to be transmitted. Now we have mechanical energy. When work is done to an object, it acquires energy. The energy it acquires is known as mechanical energy. When you kick a football, you give mechanical energy to the football to make it move. We have to remember that the energy of motion is called kinetic energy. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. The greater the mass of a moving object, the more kinetic energy it has. Kinetic energy depends on both mass and weight. There is an equation that we need to remember when we want to calculate kinetic energy, which is kinetic energy equals mass and velocity squared over 2. Potential energy is the energy stored. We have this energy that is stored in food. When we get some food, we eat it, we receive energy. And this energy is the energy that it is stored in the food that we get. There is another energy that we need to remember, that it is very important to know, that it is the gravitational potential energy, which it depends on weight and height. It is very important for you to calculate it, to know more or less the weight of the object and also the height the object is. This is gravitational potential energy. I hope it may help you to understand a little bit better about energy. Thank you very much for being in my class.